Hey guys, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Shahid Arbab. Welcome to our channel, Richard Mechanic Vlog. Now I'm here Shahid Patriot Bike in Abu Dhabi, Musapa. So this is my friend Shahid, my long-time friend. This is the number one mechanic here in Musapa. Shahid Patriot Bike. So guys, Musapa M3 Abu Dhabi. Okay? Remember, Musapa M3 Abu Dhabi. Look for Shahid Patriot Bike. Okay? So I'm here on the second floor of his shop. So much bike here. If you want Yamaha 450, I will show you. It's in the downside. Okay? So you have 450, 700, Raptor. No problem.
This one
This one is Suzuki
160.
160. Dito.
Yeah, okay. No problem. Suzuki 160cc model 2008.
And the Yamaha.
Yamaha Raptor 2013 700cc. Then 450 YFZ 2006 model.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So guys,
Also Cobra 100cc. 100cc. This one 1,500 dirham selling. Yeah.
So guys, M3 Musapa, Shahid Patriot Bike. Okay guys, don't forget. And you have also here, I want this one. Baja. It is Baja. Alright. Guys, here, Shahid give me this one for front. Okay, this one is good. Jump. Hi guys, so Shahid Patriot Bike, Musapa M3 Abu Dhabi. Come and visit this shop, Shahid Patriot Bike. You can see any off-road four wheel here. So this the Yamaha Raptor, all bikes here, all bikes.
This one is also.
Yeah, I need to. So
Huh?
see downside, all motorcycles. All motorcycles. Hey guys, we need to go downside to go there. We will check all this motorcycle. All this motorcycle. Yes. Alright.
Okay. This one need. Open there. 2 piece.
Is it available here? No.
Huh?
No, this one fixed here. No need.
No need. This need I open.
This one available?
Need.
Need. This. Alright. This one fixed? No. Oh. Here. Wait, downstairs. Bukas punta tayo sa baba. Tignan natin yung ibang mga motor doon. Okay guys, tignan natin yung ibang motor doon. Okay.